Good morning, guys. That's how the morning looks in Coorg. It's 19 degrees now, pretty foggy. Vishal is just packing the final bags. Chania is getting ready. I've kept the luggage in the car. Sky really looks beautiful. Currently it's 19 degree here. I know, it will be the best in Ooty. It should be like 10-12 degrees.
Yo, Daddy. Yo. Hello, Dada.
Hi.
Dad is posting stuff. This Bhai Sahib is doing nothing. Time pass. Music. Mummy is packing.
Coffee plants है.
Okay, that's the coffee plantation by the owner of this Airbnb house. And this is black pepper.
हाँ खावा.
And that's the owner of Airbnb homestay where we are staying in Coorg. A nice gentleman.
So now we're gonna turn the car. Yesterday there was a car, so we could not turn the car. Now maybe we have place so our car can turn. Yesterday we had to go on the other side, the neighbor's bungalow, to turn. Now I think it's easy for us to turn because so now we're just gonna turn the car and हो गया. So tada, the car turned.
Seed of this coffee.
Nice.
Inside you have to remove. You'll get the seed.
So now we guys are having breakfast, idli and chutney.
Tiki chutney.
So that uncle where we were staying, so the uncle bought us breakfast today. So now we are having that.
So now we are heading to see the Mysore Palace, which is 8 minutes away from this museum.
Since the palace opens at 10, so we're here at some coffee shop like Cothas Coffee shop for coffee. So let's see. So here we are.
Now we are in the parking lot of Mysore Palace.
50 rupees.
So now we have reached the Mysore Palace. I'm under 10.
Right?
I'm under 10 bro. Under 10 free ticket है और 10 years और उसके बाद 11, 12, 13, 14 तब तक हाँ
It's 10-20 rupees. The view is awesome.
जो यहाँ के लाइन है
Here also again there is a line.
9 number 9 number
We just kept the shoes and now we are entering the palace. These are all the cars of those times.
So you can see the old style fan. The pillars are so big and really beautifully carved. Then you can see the Jumar so big.
Everything is carved with precision. It's quite precise. Actually, I love the upper dome of this palace. It's like amazing. And it has small designs and inscriptions on it. It's actually pretty. Doors over here are like the proper antique style doors. They're so beautiful and they have small paintings all around the palace, like the monarchs and stuff. Nice. This is a gold staircase. Looks amazing. The silver chairs that belong to the king and queen. That is made out of elephant's teeth, that outer portion. This palace holds a capacity of 1.5 lakh people. It can actually hold 1.5 lakh people. Like I actually see at one go. I actually see 1.5 lakh people. So these are different lords. Maybe they used to worship them. This is a chariot. Looks amazing. Now we are heading towards the first floor, like of the palace. Like it was good कि हम लोग जल्दी आ गए because there are many people coming and there's a lot of crowd. Pretty. This was like a sitting arrangement done. So people used to sit here and even on that side, and then any activity would take place here, and people sitting on this side and that side used to see. So this is like an auditorium, and that gate is the main entrance of the palace. This is the ceiling,
Intricate
ceiling
carvings.
Yeah, like all these carvings are so precise. Like it took maybe like years and years to make this
Even in those
palace.
years, they had such a beautiful carving techniques.
Like now no one has so much of patience to do इतना सारा. हम आधा विंडो करके छोड़ देंगे. They had a darbar lift as well. They even had doors made out of silver. Basically they were wood, and then to protect that wood they used to put a silver coating all over it, so the wood remains protected for years and years. It's a preserved wood like that. So यहाँ पे you find all those खाने पीने का things and stuff like ice cream and clothes and whatnot.
So now we are having kulfi.
Strawberry is very tasty, bro.
Kids are having strawberry candy, and the rest 4 of us are having kulfi.
So we just had ice cream right now in this hot temperature. So now we are moving towards Nanjangud, that Shiv Bhagwan's temple. So stay tuned. It is 22 kilometers and we'll take 29 minutes to reach the temple.
जाने दक्षिण काशी के बारे में.
So now we are entering into Nanjangud, which is also known as Dakshin Kashi.
We enter the temple. So during Shivratri they remove this chariot and place the Lord on top, and then they take it around the town. This temple is in Nanjangud. Temple ka entrance looks like. It's amazing. That's the shoe stand. So we'll go and keep our shoes over there. And then we'll enter the temple. It's burning hot.
There the mandir is, which we did the darshan. Inside, the photography and videography was not allowed. And now we are heading towards the Shiv statue. Now you get to see the full view of this statue.
So now we have came here for coconut water and everything. So here the trees and some things are not there.
So now we will be crossing Bandipur Wildlife Sanctuary. So this is the entry point.
Now the jungle will start.
What is it?
Yes.
This Bandipur Reserve is the
Largest.
home to the largest population of elephants. Now entering into Tamil Nadu state as we are going towards Ooty. Both the sides there are deers with big antlers. Bandipur National Park of Karnataka, Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary of Tamil Nadu, and Wadiyar Wildlife Sanctuary of Kerala, and the Nagarhole National Park. All these together creates the India's biggest biosphere reserve, popularly known as the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. It has been declared as one of the 14 hotspots of the world because of its unique biodiversity. There are 36 hairpin bends on the way to Ooty. We have crossed 3 or 4. Another set of hairpin bends are coming up. So we are now in Ooty. It's 3:30, but we are not going to stay in Ooty. We have booked homestay in Kotagiri, which is around 1 hour 15 minutes from Ooty. So Sharnam, how was the experience driving till Ooty?
Adventurous.
Adventures? How do you compare it with our Himachal trip?
This is much trickier. It's not that easy. You have to have very good hold on the roads, especially because of slush. There's a lot of slush because of rain.
Okay.
And at times automatic gear was not working properly, so at that time manual mode is required.
Okay. You can see the tea plantations
Everywhere. Here we came. The fuel is very costly. Like diesel is literally 95 rupees and petrol is 104. It's very costly. See, our car is so dirty.
Ooty is known for tea plantations. All of a sudden the weather changed and it became too foggy and too cloudy.
So here we are at our homestay. for today and tomorrow we are gonna stay over here. Looks amazing. Actually want to click pictures up there.
In the well, instead of water, there are plants.
Huh? Nice.
Unique idea. Creative.
So this is somewhat our car looks like right now. पूरा वो ऊटी का पहाड़ चढ़ के आए. So गूगल हमको छोटे रास्ते से लेके आया and ये हालत हो गई. So the car is a mess right now. So this is what the house looks like. This is the kitchen and it has an induction over here and a gas and then everything, fridge and books, and I like the dining table. Then this is a hall. This is nice. Now this is the first bedroom. So again we four will sleep here together only. And the other bedroom where Daddy Dada can sleep. The way towards the terrace is this. ये stairs चढ़ के जा.
Oh, wow.
This is so good. हाँ?
ऊपर पे terrace है. Terrace के ऊपर terrace है.
ए जाना जाओ. So this is the terrace.
So, Drish and Dada are playing carom.
So guys, I'm gonna show you many different colors of sky. Okay, so let me start from there. That's grey right now, complete grey. Then I'll go on this side. You see a pinkish tint, okay, with a blue cloud over there. Then comes the other part. This is blue, this is pink, but it has orange and the sun over there. Then you see the upper part, it's completely blue, okay. Then this portion is different, it's like cyan or something. It's sky blue, like it looks amazing. The merge over here and over here and over here looks amazing. Then comes the grey portion again. So this is the grey portion which I showed you before. Then comes again the blue portion over here with a pinkish tint merging. And then you see a different cloud which is again orangish pinkish in color. And then that cloud goes and merges with the blue over here and the grey and the other grey portion over there.